So good morning, Professor, and this is my presentation. Uh, so this is on the topic of history of embedded systems. Thanks, Professor Kuldeep Singh, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity that I can represent myself. And I'm Bhupender Sengal. My roll number is 11701003, and I belong to 4C1 batch. So before going to start, we must know about the embedded systems. This is an just an overview. So basically, in embedded systems, we have two types of computer: general purpose computer, and then we have embedded system computers. General purpose computer include your smartphones, your smartwatches, your smart tablets, your laptops, desktops, etc. In embedded system, we have traffic management, red lights, green lights. We have security system, we have printer, we have aircraft. So you have concluded the difference between these two, and what makes the difference and what makes the similarity between them. So very first thing is microprocessor. This contributes to the core of both these computers. Basically, this contains an instruction set and then it executes it, so you can perform the operation. But the difference is in memory. General purpose computer have memory can store an instruction. So when you are going to update, that can store an instruction you are going to update and that can perform. But in embedded system we don't have too much memory, or we don't generally have an memory to store an instruction. So when you are going to update an instruction, then you can't execute the instruction. And so with updation in a embedded system, we generally say it can't perform the operation. And I hope you have been clear with this similarity and differences. Then regarding the very first system is that Apollo guidance computer. This is developed in 1960s, and it's first embedded system, but it is first made for an military use. Later, I'm going to show you why it is made for military use. Whenever in human technology, most of revolution changed technologies, if ever made, it's firstly for the military purpose, because the budget for military purpose is high, the research is high. Like ARPANET, we have a network that is firstly made for US military, and then being distributed to humanity as a business model later. And then we have David Mintel, who have made this very good Apollo guidance computer. And now you can see this computer in your iPhones to automobiles. Then we have Intel 4004. This is first customer-oriented embedded system that customer can use. This developed in 1960s. Later, this is in calculator. You can find this. This perform calculation, and in basic to low-level system operations, this microprocessor Intel 4004 can be used. Then we have a Minuteman missile. Um like I earlier showed you that computer Apollo have been developed, that have been used in this. We have a Autonetics G7 guidance computer. This guidance computer have a memory to store some instructions. That instruction contains the operation, like when it is going to explode. It contains a timer. It contains a logic at what height it is going to. It contains an parabolic path that it can take where it is going to explode, like how much weight it can take, and what is its underweight and overweight percentage ratio. That is in depth, but at broader level I think I have covered you. Now going to evolution of yes, we have this pyramid. In 1970s, if someone says we are going to make 8-bit microprocessor, then it is think of people that it's just an impossible. But in reality, they just need some logic gate, some chips, some memory to make that. In 1980, microcontrollers are introduced to the world. By the end of 1980s, they think they can't make embedded system of their own, so they can't make. And the current scenario, 2020, we have embedded system from our calculator to our lift to our cars to our satellites. All are equipped with embedded system, and they are performing their operation. And then we have future scope and research in progress. Future scope and research in progress. These two are collaborated here in this slide. First thing is medical. In medical, we have biotechnology, that is more concentrated upon the research of the technology with the medical, so that they can interrupt the human errors and perform surgeries or those things with an accuracy. We have ECG, we have X-rays, where the embedded system already been implemented, and the research is in the topics of neuroscience, heartbeat science, neurosignals updated. So after that, we have computer networks in modems, in routers, in gateways, in physical layer, in bit checking mini circuits we use it. In modem updated routers also we use this embedded system. In internet of things we have many circuits that have been developed recently that is using this. Then AI, it's a big topic though, but using a machine learning model we can train a particular embedded system to perform a particular operation either with general purpose computer or at individual level. So that can be done, and that is being done. AI being a big branch, it contains data science and all those things. So this is regarding the future scope and the research in progress. If you are thinking that you can go, yeah, competition is probably less from a computer science guy who knows the coding. So you can have a luck in this field if you are seeing. And after this, I have concluded all the things. I hope the PPT, the presentation that I have made, have have contained the information that you can use in your real life. And so thank you for watching the video. And the last message: stay safe. We have to meet this after this semester. Stay safe in this pandemic. So thank you for watching.